Hello there everyone, my name is Angus, and today we're going to be talking about setting up Hyper-V virtual machines to get you ready for your future tasks. Let's get right into it. First, the main thing you have to do is to activate Hyper-V, obviously. So you have to go into the search bar down here, and then you type in Control Panel, and then you may see all of these. Well, you will want to press on Programs. And then, as you can see here, it says Turn Windows Features On or Off. You want to press on it, and this will pop up. So you can see down here, it says Hyper-V. You may need to scroll down a little bit, but it does say Hyper-V over here. For you, it's going to be like this, unchecked. You want to check it, and then you press OK. Now, it may tell you to restart, so you do want to restart to activate it, of course. And then, now you go into the search bar again, and then you search up Hyper-V. You can see Hyper-V Manager. You want to press on it. And then you may see all of these. We're not going to talk about these right now, but you can see here it says New. Click on it, Virtual Machine. And you can see this tab over here. You want to press Next. Name the virtual machine. I'm just going to call it Angus. What? Oh, that's not how you type. Okay. Angus Virtual. There we go. Angus Virtual Machine. Actually, let's do this. There we go. And then we don't want to put it in our C drive because virtual machines, they take up a lot of space. So if you have a D drive, you can put it in there. I already have a folder for virtual machines over here, so just do that. And then we'll press on Next. I'm going to press on Generation 2. Also, you cannot change the generation after it's done, like setting it up. So if you want to change it, you have to make a new virtual machine. I'm going to press on Next. Assign memory. This is basically RAM, so I'm just going to give it 4 gigabytes. So there you go. Also, if you have less gigabytes of RAM than you put in your memory, then this will not work, of course, because you don't have enough RAM for it. So you press on Next, and now you should see here, I'm going to use the default switch for now. We'll talk about that later. Press on Next. And then you may see all of these. We can make a hard disk. So we're going to be calling it Angus Security Virtual Machine.vhdx. Location, yep. And then the size, your PC has to fit it, of course. So yeah, 127 is okay. And then you press on Next. And choose your operating system file. So I'm going to do mine right now. So you press on Browse. And then you go to where your ISO file is. Mine is over here. So this is the operating system. So you press on Next. Finish. And it should show up this loading screen. You just gotta wait a bit. It's gonna take a little while. So you press on Connect, and you should see this. Press on Start, and it will say all of this. You just gotta wait a few minutes. It's just gotta load up. So when it's done, I'll just be right back. Alright, so now that it's done, you just gotta choose your language. You probably already set it up because of the ISO file. It probably already showed. So, United Kingdom. And then I'm gonna use United Kingdom. You press on Next. And then you press on Install Now. And it should start installing. So, setup is starting. It's gonna do another screen later. I'm gonna show you what to do then. So let's wait a bit. Oh, look at that. You accept, and then you press on next. Press on custom, and you'll see your hard drive right over here. And you press on next, and it should start installing Windows, as you can see here. So when it's done, I'll just be back. Alright, it's finally done now. So just choose your region and choose your keyboard layout, and then I'm gonna skip the second keyboard layout since I don't really need it. And next time I'm gonna show you how to connect the network, so stay tuned for that. And you just gotta name it and all that. It's just like a normal computer. Alright, and now I'm gonna type in my password, and after that you gotta press next, of course. And then the password hint. Yes, that's my password hint. I know, it's really good. Now you just gotta wait a moment and it'll just be like Cortana, blah blah blah. And it'll be like, oh, wait a moment. What? Oh, wow. Oh my god, it just baited me. Just baited me. You saw that, right? Wow, that's so rude. Alright, I'm just gonna speed this up, and when it's done, I'll be right back. Alright, I think we're done now. Yep. So, this is what it looks like. Basically, what? Oh, I just full screen it. I'll fix it later. But it's basically just the normal Windows 10 operating system. So this is basically how you can set up a virtual machine, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can press the like button and maybe you can subscribe. As you can see, the RAM is 3.95, just like how I installed it to be, which is great. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe, because I'm gonna put out some more videos about virtual machines later. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye.